Hi and welcome to today's session on trigonometry to find missing sides. Now we are going to be using trigonomic functions which are on our scientific calculators. So key things to remember: sine is sin on our calculator, cosine is cos, tangent is tan. Now these can be found. Here I've got a Casio calculator. Sine is just this button here, cos is our button here, and tangent is our button just here. If we wanted to test this, if we was to press our sine button and then type in 6.5 equals, that will give us 0.9063077787. Or of course, if we was asked to give this as significant figures, to three significant figures, this will be 0.906. Now we're going to use our trigonomic functions in a couple of different examples where we're going to be using sine, cosine, and then tangent. So here is my triangle, and looking at my triangle, I've got my hypotenuse, which is 12 centimeters. I've got my angle here, 56 degrees, and I'm looking to calculate my opposite because I'm looking to solve x. So this means, first of all, as always, label your triangle, because you want to highlight what information you haven't got. And here, I haven't got my adjacent, in which case I'm not going to be using these two triangles. So just highlighting, I have my hypotenuse and I have my opposite. And as you can see, the only triangle here that I've got two bits of information to use is this part here. So I'm going to be using sine theta, sine angle, equals opposite of hypotenuse. So substituting in my values, I've got sine 56 equals x over 12. Now if I was to rearrange this, taking my 12 from the right hand side to the left hand side, it's dividing on this side, so it becomes multiplication on this side. So 12 times sine 56 equals x, which equals, when we tap this into our calculator, 9.95 centimeters to 2 decimal places. Here's another example. So this time, as always, label our sides first, and I'm looking to solve x, which is my hypotenuse. So firstly, I've got a length for my adjacent. So here I've highlighted my two adjacents. And I'm looking to solve my hypotenuse. And the only triangle that's allowing me to do that is the triangle with cos or cosine. So that's what I'm going to be using. So substituting in my values, cos 75 equals 5 over x. So rearranging this, I get 5 over cos 75, because this is over the x on this side. If I took this over to the other side, it would be over whatever is on this side, equals x. So putting this into the calculator, my hypotenuse is a length of 19.32 centimeters to 2 decimal places. The questions will always specify how many decimal places to give your answer to. Here we've got our last example. So solving x, and this time x is the opposite. And we've confirmed that by first of all labeling. And we've got our hypotenuse and we've got our adjacent. We've got no information for our hypotenuse, so we're not going to be using any triangle which has got hypotenuse in this. We've got a length for the adjacent. We're looking to solve the opposite, so we're going to be using our tan or tangent. Tan theta or tan angle equals opposite divided by adjacent. Substituting my values, so tan 60 equals x over 7. So rearranging this, I've got 7 times tan 60, which means that x, once I type this into my calculator, x equals 12.12 centimeters to 2 decimal places. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.